Welcome to Qredo. In this tutorial, we're thrilled to introduce you to Qredo Vaults. Let's dive right in and explore their possibilities. Qredo Vaults offer a secure storage and management solution beyond traditional trading platforms. They are asset-specific Layer 2 wallets secured by on-chain governance backed by distributed multiparty computation technology and coupled with underlying Layer 1 asset mapping. In your workspace, you can add as many vaults as you need, supporting a wide range of assets. Let's add your first Ether vault. Start by selecting a name for your vault. This will help you easily identify and manage your assets within the vault. Pick the specific asset you want to store in your vault. With Qredo's wide asset support, you have plenty of options to choose from. Apply the desired transaction policy previously defined. If policies have been applied at the portfolio level, you can choose to inherit them at the vault or wallet level. With Qredo, you have several options to manage your assets efficiently. Here's what you can do. Easily deposit assets from other platforms or other vaults, send tokens across vaults within your workspaces and others, or withdraw your assets to external addresses. Seamlessly purchase tokens using Fiat currency through our integrated Fiat on-ramp solution. Making your first deposit is simple. Click on Receive to initiate the deposit process. It's crucial to remember that vaults are designed exclusively for specific assets on specific network. Attempting to send any other assets on different networks to vault may lead to irreversible loss of those vaults. If you're receiving assets from another vault, copy the vault code and paste it when prompted in the Send Assets flow. If you're receiving assets from an external wallet, check the box next to the disclaimer and select Show Receive Address. Use the provided address to receive assets from any external wallet securely. Congratulations, your deposit has been successfully processed. Sending assets or making withdrawals from any Qredo vault is straightforward. Click on Send to initiate the asset transfer or withdrawal. Under Select Source, choose the vault from which you want to send the assets. Under Select Destination Type, you have three options. This workspace to send assets to a vault within the same workspace. Qredo Vault Code to send assets to a vault within Qredo but outside of the current workspace. Whitelisted Withdrawal Address to send assets to an address outside of Qredo that you've previously whitelisted. Depending on your choice, select the destination within the workspace, input the vault code, or paste the deposit address of the external wallet where you're sending the assets. Enter the amount of the asset you want to send. If desired, you can change the default, expiry, reference and note for this transaction. Finally, click Send to complete the asset transfer or withdrawal. This transfer will now need to be approved as defined in the policy active for this vault. Congratulations, your deposit has been successfully processed. Qredo Vaults provide transparency and proof of solvency, ensuring that the assets you hold in Qredo's Layer 2 vaults are always mapped to the underlying Layer 1 chains through the Qredo protocol's asset mapping process. Congratulations! You've now mastered the world of Qredo Vaults, unlocking a realm of possibilities for your digital assets. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey.